Hi, this is day 14 of the challenge, and today I would like to talk to you about the question relating how long should I be torching, how often should I be torching, and how many treatments or how many torching sessions should I be giving or doing with my animal. Well, something happened to me today. Well, once again. Things happen to me all the time. So I was in the village, and there is a very steep road. And walking down, I slipped, and I hurt myself. I fell, and so what did I do? I fell down. I I totally flexed my knee. My bad knee, yes, the one where I need prosthesis. Well, I need prosthesis in both of them. But anyways, so I didn't try to get up. I just lay there, and I always have my torch with me. Always, you see, things can happen to you, and you need it. So I immediately took my pro torch out of my handbag, and I just started torching me. Meanwhile, I had people coming by, and then 2 minutes later or something, the police arrived. They wanted to call an ambulance and so on. I said, not needed. I have my torch, just let me do. So what you doing? So I explained it to them. So, but what I want to say is that whenever you have an acute situation, so I just fell, so I immediately took my torch out and I immediately started to torch myself. Then you will say, yes, but when something happens, when I'm not at home, I don't know those points by heart. It doesn't matter. First thing you do is already start torching the zone where you hurt yourself, because that will already limit the inflammation and it will already take the pain away, which will make it easier for you to get up and get away again. So I just stayed on the floor. I just took the time to torch my knee, to torch my ankle, and then I got up. The police has driven me to my car. I refused to go to any hospital. I got some help to walk with my two with my two stocks, and that's what happened. Now, of course, you come home, you do some icing on those zones. But so for the torching part, when it's acute, torch immediately. The quicker you torch, the quicker you will heal. And today I will torch again tonight before I go to bed. Okay? Of course, it will be locally, but it will also be the standard points. And in my case, because I hurt my knee, it will also be the knee points. Now, maybe I will do that again in the morning, torching locally if there is any pain, just to get that away. And then maybe, I don't know, the next day I will do it once again, and then it's finished. On the other hand, it is possible that I really hurt some part, a ligament or whatever in that knee, and I will need more sessions. But the general rule is the following. Standard points and specific acupuncture points, you put the red light on them every 2 days. Depending on the weight of the animal, it will be in between 2 seconds up to 10 seconds. In mode 1 of the Pro Torch, of course. And then if it's acute, you can also torch locally to take those pains away. You can torch yourself a few times in the first 2 days. That's no problem, okay? It can't do any harm. Now, on the other hand, if you have a chronic situation where the animal, for example, has an ongoing problem that's going on for more than 4 weeks and it has become chronic, well, in that case, you will have to torch those points every 2 days for at least 4 to 6 weeks. The longer the problem exists, the more sessions you will have to do to get this better in a way that you can get it right again. Of course, sometimes you have some diseases where you can't get it right, but you can at least assist the animal. But otherwise, make sure the general rule is torch every 2 days, the standard points and the specific points for the specific condition that your animal is suffering from. The longer it has had the problem, the more sessions you will need. if I'm okay, in 2-3 days I will be better, unless I've really hurt something inside there, and I will know that tomorrow night. No, tomorrow afternoon, because then I will go for a checkup at my physio, just to check out what I've hurt in that knee. Okay, but it's hardly. I don't really see a swelling. It's hardly swollen. I had an impact point, so that was a bit red, but that's already almost gone. So I'm confident everything is going to be just fine. Okay, bye bye.